The contacts, when I was talking about pitted, if you look down here, between your points right here, you see how black that is. It wouldn't have been long for. Well, we know it hadn't had a maintenance in a while. First thing I'm gonna do, open up my disconnect. Kill the power to that unit for a minute. Take a look up in your disconnect very carefully. Give your wires some nice little tugs. Make sure they're tight. Go ahead and pull our panel off. If you notice that this core on this back side is completely clogged. And if you remember me telling you earlier, the discharge is a little warmer than what it needs to be, you know, with the ambient temperature the way it is outside this morning. And if we look right here in this condenser core, that thing is completely clogged. And that'll cause high amp draws on our compressor. Cause dual capacitors to go out sooner than what they need to be. Cause them to work harder in the start and in running. Compressor can't breathe. Okay, we got our panel off. So what we're going to do, check our capacitor readings. Let's see where we at. It's a 45 at 5. I'm going to pull 2 legs off. I'll pull my fan leg off and my Herm leg off. Or start. Little snook sometimes. We should be reading 45 right here, or in that area. $36. So that capacitor needs to be replaced. So 36. We'll check the fan side. 4.5. And it should be 5. But on this capacitor, plus or minus 5%. Contacts are pitted. You notice right here. Those are pretty old contacts. They're pitted out. Capacitor, contactor. Let's check this capacitor start amp. Check our amps on our fan. 0.92. On your data plate, it always tells you your ratings on your compressor, your condensing fan motor, other operating motors that might be on the unit. So that's 1.5. We're good on that motor too. The unit could run a whole lot better though, just by a maintenance. But we're going to verify the charge on it here in just a minute. Let that run in the air conditioning mode for a few more minutes and we'll check the temperatures. Oh, on this? Yep. We're changing this capacitor. What we said, reading 38 a few minutes ago. Should be reading 45. Help the compressor back where it needs to be as far as starting wise. A few minutes ago we discussed the contactor being pitted, so we'll go ahead and change those as well. Same way, start or Herms. Common, and our fan. Pop it right back in here. Be nice if we put our readings so we can see them, not backwards. You have to actually take the capacitor all the way out just to check the readings on it. So I try to make sure as much as possible to turn it out so the next tech can see the readings on the thermostat. One shunt contactor or one pole and a half. Flathead screwdriver out of here. And once we get this contactor off, I can show you better as far as it being pitted. Contacts, when I was talking about pitted, if you look down here between your points right here, you see how black that is. It wouldn't have been long for either the contacts wouldn't made any continuity, or they'd have just stayed stuck in the whole time, causing the condenser to run even though the unit's not causing it to freeze up, stuff like that.